welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. This install is super easy and beginner friendly, so stick around if you want to find out all the details about today's wig and install. Today's hair sponsor is Ashimary Hair. I have worked with them so many times on my channel, and every time I collaborate with them, I'm always super impressed with the wig, the quality, the density, the length, the color, the style, all of the above. Today's no exception. I am blown away with this wig. Let's just jump into it. Today what I have installed is a 28-inch 180% density waterwave 4C kinky edges 13x4 HD frontal wig.
Inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it.
Okay, never mind me. I just have on my Ashimary robe. Look at this beautiful wig. Oh my goodness. Look how long she is. So this is a full frontal wig. We love that. I'm gonna spray some lace tint on it because I just know I've reviewed a lot of wigs from this company. I know that I like to have the lace tinted.
There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. It hurts me how everything was wasted.
Fold, hold. I'm gonna go in with probably only one layer.
About you, I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to.
I'm drying it on the cool setting only.
A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I just wanna lay here inside of your arm.
This side I have not cut the lace. The other side I have.
Sunshine, I've been waiting. Sunshine, why you playing with my head all the time? You go way out of line. Sunshine, don't keep me waiting. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I give you my tomorrow.
I am only spraying some water on here.
You sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever now.
Because this is a 4C Kinky Edges wig, I don't want to do too much to it because I want to showcase and highlight those edges. So I kind of just want to leave those alone for the most part. I think I'm going to go in with some Eco Style gel. It gives the best wet look.
Talk all night long. Show me.
We're gonna clean up the part. This is something that I usually always do because it is giving too narrow. We want to open it up a bit without having to pluck her.
Tomorrow, forever now, I'll never bring you sorrow. So don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever now. Chills, yeah, I can chills when you come. Wanna give you my heart, so don't you let me down. Hey, why you play with my head? Can't you love me instead? I give my all, I give you my tomorrow, forever now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever now.
What I really loved about this wig when I saw it out of the box was the full frontal, meaning it is full 13x4 all throughout. So it is 13x4 here, 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 and here. So you could do updos, you can do so much with this wig. It still gives very natural with those 4C kinky edges. Sometimes the companies, they just go a little bit overboard where it's like, it's almost offensive, the kinky edges, like it's so kinky and it's just too much. And there's a huge separation between the natural hair and the kinky edges, meaning you have to blend it. But this wig, I just put it on. I didn't have to do anything to those edges, you guys. Very natural. And look up close, okay? And that's what we want to see. We want to see kinky, we want to see curly, but we don't want to see like, oh my god, this looks totally different, because then it's just not that believable. We want a nice transition between the kinky and the actual hair, and they have figured it out. Like, this wig looks the most natural I've ever seen on a 4C kinky edges wig. Talk about the curl pattern. It is absolutely beautiful. You guys know water wave, my favorite texture. Some of the other textures have been coming close, but realistically, if I had to pick one curly texture for the rest of my life, it would probably be water wave, because I think the curl pattern is just so flawless. Water wave gives vacation, gives luxe, gives money, okay? I love it. I love the density. It is just the right amount of hair, not too thick where it looks fake, but just perfect. And it is really long, you guys. She's hitting me like 30 inches with a styled length. So if I stretch her out, she is definitely giving me booty length, and I mean, that's impressive. Yes, I love it. I'm giving this wig a 10 out of 10, as if you didn't know that already. If you want to purchase this wig, it's going to be linked in the description box for you. If there's a discount code, it's going to be there as well. Don't forget to check that out before you go. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I ask that you do, so you don't miss out on any future uploads or giveaways that we do, because we do a lot of giveaways over here. Hit the thumbs up button if you haven't done so already. It really does help my channel out, and it gives me the opportunity to continue to bring these videos to you guys. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye for now.